Hi, this is AnnaMaria coming to you live from Montreal, Canada, where we're hosting Future Electronics' world-renowned Advanced Engineering University. We're training our best in the industry engineers on the latest and greatest technologies from our strategic supplier partners. Today, we're excited to spotlight ST Microelectronics, who just so happen to be Future's #1 supplier partners in the Americas and worldwide. They will be exposing our engineers and taking a deep dive into their cutting-edge technologies and solutions. What I love most about AEU is watching these brilliant minds absorbing all of this vital information and then exposing these amazing products to their entire customer base. Then tonight, we get to relax and spend some quality time with our ST friends playing a little trivia. It's going to be an exciting event. Stay tuned, and thank you.